Hi there, and welcome back to spreadsheetpoint.com. In this next short video, I will explain the switch function. What does it do? When is it most helpful? And what other ways could it be used? So the switch function basically allows you to evaluate a list of items and have Excel return a response based on that item or items that you were evaluating. It is easier to use than having a bunch of nested if statements when you actually need to look at multiple values or conditions within cells. Let me show you an example. So if I have this data table here, this is a list of employees and their corresponding performance ratings for the year. Let's say I wanted to determine the action based on the performance rating. A great way to do this would be to use that switch function. So the expression is the cell that you want to have Excel evaluate. So I'm going to say B2. So value 1 would be excellent, let's say. And make sure when you're using words, you always use quotation marks. What do I want it to be for excellent? Let's say promotion. We're going to give them a promotion. The next one is good. So for good, let's say we'll give them a raise. The third one is average. We will give those folks, let's just say, extra break. And the last one would be poor. They need to speak with their manager. Manager discussion. Okay? And then you'll close the formula as such. You'll see here that it returns the value of promotion because there's excellent. And so you would simply copy this formula down and it puts in the action according to their performance rating. You'll see this is much easier to use than having a large if statement. For instance, if this is excellent, then put promotion. If this is good, then put raise. So I'll write that if statement here. It would look something like this. If this equals excellent, then promotion. And then another if statement. You have to keep going. It's much easier to use a switch function if you have a list of values and you want to return a value based on some criteria that you just list in a single function. Another way to use this is, let's say someone had no performance rating here. No rating. See how this says NA gives you an error. Another way to use this would be that you just enter another criteria to your formula. So now I'm going to say no rating. You're going to say employee has no rating entered. Then I will bring down the formula. And you'll see it updates the value accordingly. I hope you found this switch function video useful. For more advice, check out spreadsheetpoint.com and don't forget to like and subscribe.